The opening shot starts with the insides of a scenic mosque in the holy city of Om. Then the camera pans to something shocking. A senior cleric took off his turban and threw it on the ground in disgust. The reason behind this symbolic gesture? The source of emulation for each Shia Muslim and the torch bearer of the Islamic Revolution in Iran. Ayatollah Ruhollah Khamenei was insulted by a government newspaper, Atalat. The publication accused the revolutionary leader as a British agent and that his credentials towards Islam were questionable. It was this moment that is often seen as the spark of Islamic revolution 40 years ago. In the 1970s, fed up with the Western inclination of the ruling Pahlavi dynasty, there was a feeling among the Iranians that the rulers had sold the nation to the Western powers like the US and UK. During that time, to tackle and limit Russia's power, US and UK came to Iran to set up its military bases, while the Iranian people on the other side accused its ruler, its Shah, for compromising the nation's internal security force and also accused for not doing anything about it. Then emerged the Grand Ayatollah Khamenei, the stark critique of the Pahlavi dynasty. Khamenei then went on to criticize Shah's program, accusing them of undermining Shia tradition and favoring foreign interests. The stark criticism got on the nerves of the Shah, the ruler, and Ayatollah was sent into exile. But still, staying far away, his influence on the Iranian mindset kept on growing. And by the end of 1978, protests against the Shah had turned into a revolution. On January 16, 1979, the Shah fled the country, ending more than 2,000 years of Persian monarchy on the country. On February 1, everyone's Messiah, Khamenei, returned to the crowds of Iran. Soon after his return, Ayatollah was appointed as an interim prime minister. Then slowly, under the new government, many opposition leaders were jailed or executed. Conservative Islamic values were enforced on people. Rights to women were snatched. Now women were more miserable and restricted. The violence and brutality exceeded. In conclusion, the country, once prosperous and considered friendly in the geopolitical context, transformed into an Islamic republic that set on a new path. A path that brought it to war with its neighbor and ongoing conflict with the West. For more such videos, keep on watching NewsX.